Every 28 days, a woman goes through what is called her period. Without any doubt, it's so important for us to use the right sanitary pad that provides us with comfort, safety, and is budget-friendly. As you all know, Bloom by Rivaj has recently been launched in the market and people are going gaga over it because of its great absorption ability. तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं आप सबके सामने इसकी absorption quality को test करूं. So I'm going to do a pad test with a local brand.
As you can see, I have put both the pads here which are in thin variant, and this is product A, which is a local brand, and this is product B, which is Bloom. Taking 50 ml glass of ink, I will pour it on both the thin variant pads and let's wait 45 seconds. Oh my god, the local brand has already started leaking. After 45 seconds, I have rolled both the pads in a tissue paper to see which one has the better absorption capacity. Let's squeeze both the pads to see which one has the better quality.
Oh!
And this is product B. Let's see कि इसकी absorption quality कैसी है. Oh my god, wow!
Clearly, Bloom is the winner here.
Bloom has proved to have the maximum absorption level in comparison to the other pad. Its aerial technology ensures that the flow is equally distributed to prevent any leakage, and the multi-layers provide us with maximum absorption. Bloom comes in two variants, ultra thin and maxi thick. और हाँ, एक important बात, Bloom has high quality sticky strips जो घंटों तक की comfort दे, so that we can do all our chores with full confidence.
We all deserve the best. तो क्यों ना हम अपने periods में भी best sanitary pads use करें, which is certainly Bloom by Rivaj for me.
Bloom for a better tomorrow and have a happy, confident and comfortable period.